Hi there, welcome to my tutorial on being able to write a number in standard form. Okay, example 1 there, we've got quite a large number. We're going to write it in standard form, or a shorter way of writing this number. So this is fairly straightforward. What we've got to do is we need to write a number that is between 1 and 10. So we take the digits in the number that aren't the zeros and we write that between 1 and 10. So we write 2.1. 2.1 is between 1 and 10. Then we're going to multiply this by 10 to the power of something. Now, in order to do that, the best way of doing this is just to see what the power needs to be by putting our decimal point where we've positioned it in our answer, and then seeing how many places you'd need to move that decimal point, or in fact move the digits to the left, to get it to the end of the number. It's easier to move the point, so if we say, right, it was there, we're moving it once, twice, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times, 6 times. 2.1 times 10 to the power of 6 is that large number written in standard form. Let's have a look at the second one then. Here we've got an even larger number. We are going to position our decimal point between the 3 and the 2 here, and we're going to write down 3.2, and then we're multiplying that to 10 to the power of something. What is that something? Well, again, we're going to move this decimal point to see where it gets to. So once, twice, 3 times, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 3.2 times 10 to the power of 8. Example 3. This time we've got a decimal number, a very small number. And for this one, it's best to see where the decimal point, how many places the decimal point needs to move, or how many places the digits need to move to the left to be able to get that number between 1 and 10. So if we start off and we say, right, well, there's the decimal point, 1, 2, 3, 4. We've moved it 4 places. We write down 2.1, and then we're going to times it by 10 to the power of 4. However, because this is a small number, less than 1, this becomes a negative power. So it's 2.1 times 10 to the negative 4. We just do one more, example 4. Let's try 0.00000325. Again, let's start off and move the decimal point, see how many places we need to move it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We write down 3.25 times 10. Remember, I've moved that point 5 places, and because it's a decimal, it's to the negative. 3.25 times 10 to the negative 5.